Mistakes are the stepping stones to success and wisdom. We learn from trial and error. We become wise by understanding problems. If we can learn from our mistakes as well as that of the others, it can be considered as true value addition in our life. In this video, we will tell you few things that we can learn from Ravana. Stop seeing every woman as a sex object and respect her. Ravan once tried to sexually exploit Rambha, the wife of Lord Kubera's son, and she cursed him that he would die if he touched a woman without her consent. Hence, out of fear, Ravan never dared to touch Ma Sita. Never develop lust towards someone's wife. We all know what happened after Ravan abducted Ma Sita. Never mock someone without knowing who they are. Ravan once laughed at Nandi at his bull face, who in turn cursed Ravan that he would be killed brutally and mercilessly by the Vanar Sena, meaning the monkey army of Hanumanji. Don't underestimate anyone. Ravan performed tapasya, meaning penance, to Brahma and got a boon that no one could kill him except a human, because he thought humans were not powerful enough to fight with him. Apparently, he was wrong and killed by Sri Ram, a Manushya avatar, meaning a human incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Don't be arrogant. When Ravan found Vedavati performing penance to Lord Vishnu to have him as her husband, he mocked her and grabbed her by hair. She got furious, immediately cut off her hair and entered into fire while cursing him that she would be the reason for his death. Don't eye on others' properties. Ravan fought with his brother Kuber and repossessed his kingdom along with Pushpak Viman, the flying chariot. Never underestimate someone's power without knowing what he is. Ravan once tried to mischievously grab Vali from behind while he was offering Sandhya Vandana prayers to Suryadev. Knowing Ravan was behind him, Vali grabbed Ravan's neck and held him captive under his armpit and travelled long distances while Ravan choked and nearly died. Listen. When someone advises, at least care to listen. Whether you want to implement that advice or not is another matter. We know how Ravan cut off Vibhishana's words when he tried to advise him. Know when to stop. Kill the ego when you can't fight anymore. Ravan abducted Sita. Lord Sri Ram waged a war against him. He constructed a bridge up to Lanka. He killed all the warriors from Ravan's side. His brother Kumbhakarna was killed. His sons were killed. His ministers were killed. Still, he did not release Sita Mata. Finally, this resulted in his destruction. Regret your mistake. Even after knowing that he made a mistake by abducting Sita Mata, he wouldn't apologize to Sri Ram because it hurt his ego. He would have saved his life if he did so.